With all things that we do, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it far and wide. We're about to jump into this 924. We're getting close to finishing this project off, so come on and take a ride with us. Let's see how far we get. What are we doing now? Well, other than the fact that we've got to fix that piece of metal that you see right there. That's a long story, and I'll tell you about it later. We have got pegboard, and we are going to cut it to match this size, and I've got some material that I'm gonna sandwich press two pieces together, do some supports, and I am gonna cover it with some good vinyl. So stay tuned, keep an eye on this, and here we go. Okay, I know I'm getting a lot of people that are gonna ask, what the heck did you just do? So let me just show you. I double layered these pieces together. So when you look here, this is flat and this is heavy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set some blocks on the side here so this rests on top of it. And when this is down, it's down. This flap here, I'm gonna connect to the back of the seat. So I've got an aluminum bar that's actually setting and it's glued in here. And I'm going to drill holes in that aluminum bar, and all of this together, I'll trim that. It's going to hold that in place. And when I need to lift it up, I'm going to put a little handle on here. I'll run it through and put bolts in it. So this is the bottom, by the way. So that's for support, right? And that's riveted in place there. And this will be the top that's sitting in there so you can't see down inside of it. And then this will have a handle there. So I want to pull it up, I just pull it up, put stuff in, do whatever I need to do. I might even have a little hook system on here. So if I want to hook this and put it up on the top on the actual hatch, I'll have the ability to do that. But this is what we were working on here for, I don't know, about the last hour or so. And this is going to go inside the little 924. We'll get it installed, and life will be good. We're going to run a couple more rivets through these metal bars over here, give support. And then what I may do is I may come across in here and just put that right there. I may trim this side and bring that down just to give it a little bit more support. Thinking about putting maybe that here. I could easily put that in the center right there, drill some holes here and through there, and I can pop rivet that onto there and then get the height right. And that would actually hold this in the back. I just have to make sure that I cut this the appropriate length. But anyways, this is what we worked on tonight. A little bit of a long story, but that is going to go in our back hatch here and cover up a lot of the stuff that we have in there. So we're going to call it a night. Wife's not going to be able to pull the car in, but oh well, it kind of is. Okay, this still has to be mounted. So that will go there like that. It's going to get mounted from underneath, and the other side will do the same thing. And then what I'm going to do is make sure that I've got the stand on there. It's not straight, but so it sits up about like that, and it rides. It is heavy enough where it's going to hold in place, but it's going to cover up any valuables or stuff that I have underneath here before I get a chance to get that tinted. So it's dirty. I gotta clean it up a little bit, but not looking bad. I have a little bit more Porsche left over, and I think I have enough just to run a stripe down the center of Porsche, and I may do that. Okay, here's the litmus test. Ready? Hopefully I don't pop my glass on that handle. Look at that. Sweet. Totally covered up. Open this up, can lift it, put up underneath there, whatever I want, close it back, set. It's not perfect, but you know what? Neither am I. How about that? All done.